All right, I'm over to my brother's garage today, and we're gonna show you another item that he bought for his bike. And he needs to test it out to see if it's gonna fit or not. And if it fits his bike, then we're gonna try to see if it fits mine. To see if I'm gonna order one too or not.
If it doesn't fit mine, maybe it'll fit yours.
So, we'll see what he's got. All right, what you got? What's your order now?
Oh, just bought a bike cover, full-size bike cover. This is a triple XL. Supposed to fit bikes up to 108 inches long. Normally a Goldwing Touring is 104, but I have a 4-inch extension on my trunk, so I'm hoping it will be a snug fit. The issue is the next biggest size is 116, which will be like a swimming pool on the bike. So I'm hoping this works.
All right, well, let's open it up.
I can't pronounce the name, but if you want to take a screenshot of that, and that's their logo.
Okay.
It comes in a nice bag, nice carrying case.
Yep.
When it first comes, it comes obviously, it came in
Amazon,
yeah.
Amazon bag.
Yep. And I bought the orange and black.
All right, so everybody thinks it's a Harley, so they'll steal yours first before they steal mine.
Wow, they really did vacuum seal this thing. It's It's supposed to go right to the tire, to plug down to the tire.
As you can see, it doesn't fit on the back. It's supposed to go down and around.
I don't really need it to.
So, if it's windy, you might want some, or something. You want that back strapped or whatever. But
Well, I'm thinking maybe if I just use a bungee cord instead.
as you can see, it goes all the way down. Let's see what it looks like. All right. Goes all the way around the front tire, and you got a strap there that you can hook to the other side. You can put a chain through your rim if you want. There's a middle strap there that goes underneath the bike. But it's a little bit too short for him to go get it underneath the rest of the bike. So he probably should have got the next size up.
Yep. Yep. And I can't quite.
And you can't quite get it to whatever, the hook.
No, I'm just a little short.
So it doesn't quite fit with the 4-inch extension on this bike. It would have fit if you didn't have the 4-inch extension.
Yep. I can't quite.
No.
All right, let's get yours off.
All right, we're going to take my cover off, my half cover, and we're going to try to put this one on mine to see if it works.
Yep.
Hey, I don't even have it on yet.
Yeah. I was just saying,
Yep.
you were looking for one, that's super cheap, dude.
Yeah.
$30.
So, I guess it works with mine too. Maybe.
Yeah.
Right now I have it strapped in
And a chalk.
the wheel chock. But I have the extra wide handlebars on mine, so it's taking up a lot of that. So I don't know. Well, let's see. But anyway, that's what it looks like. All right, we tried putting that cover on both bikes. It'll fit my bike too, so if I'm interested, I may buy one instead of my half cover. It fits his bike except for the back. It doesn't quite go down to the rear tire, and he can't strap that back strap. He's gonna just get a little strap extension and put on there. So it's basically just to cover the bike up in the garage so it don't get all dusty, and to take with him on trips to cover the bike up at night so it don't get wet. But we'll have to wait to see how waterproof it is till the first time we take a trip. But anyway, the link will be in the description below, or you can check out my product links website in the description below also. That has all the links on this channel, all the links to all the products that we use on this channel. And like always, give us a like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you in our next video. Bye.